Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make a beautiful and easy shaking card for Christmas. Here I'm drawing a square, dimensions as 6 cm, leaving 1 cm distance from the edges. We need to remove this square from the card, and the card will look like this after removing the square. Now I'm going to draw a design inside this 6 cm square. And we need to cut that design and paste it on the blue color glitter sheet. Here I am using normal white color cards and white color glitter sheets to cut the design. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. For the next step, we need a transparent sheet. And I'm cutting a square from the transparent sheet, dimensions as 7 cm. Okay, now we can paste it to the card as I'm doing here. For the next step, we need a double-sided tape like this. And we need to paste the tapes to the card as I'm doing here. Now we can add something to shake. Then we can paste the card to the glitter sheet with the design as I'm doing here. Finally, we can paste it to the original card like this. Hope you enjoyed our video. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.